How to cancel Paramount subscription on Amazon. Now, everything can be done on your Prime Video account using your Amazon. Open up any reliable or your preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head out straight into Amazon's official site and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, if you go ahead and click your current username or account and list, if you subscribe to Paramount, you should be able to see an option here that says your Prime Video. If you are not subscribed to any of those, then you will not be able to check out that option. Now, once you have chosen your Prime Video under account and list, this is going to be what it look like on your Prime Video account. And just simply head out into your user profile and then go into accounts and settings. Now you will be redirected to account settings tabs. All the subscriptions that you have using your Amazon will be indicated here. So I have not yet subscribed to any of the features from Prime Video and as well as Paramount subscription. So what the option that you need to choose from here is just simply choose on channels, and you should be able to see Paramount visible in there. Just simply head out straight into cancel channel, and you should be able to cancel your subscription as well. And that is how you cancel Paramount subscription on Amazon.